So we're gonna play Runaway West. Yeah, Runaway West. Kane West, I mean Kane West. So let's go try. Okay, so let's go. If I'm wrong, I'm so sorry. That's pretty good, but I'm gonna practice well. So thank you for watching this video.